ArcGIS Runtime API brings comprehensive utility network capabilities on desktop and mobile platforms that puts power in the hands of field engineers to perform real-time analysis, advanced tracing, get insight into device containment and associations, generate configurable reports, and much more. For field crew, ability to trace equipment failure and capturing these details has significant advantage when optimizing response times. Let's take an outage example. This application, built with ArcGIS Runtime API, shows how some of these advanced capabilities can be used in response to a power outage. Operations team has been notified of an equipment failure that has caused a device to trip offline at a location. Using ArcGIS Runtime API and utility network, we can quickly determine the address and identify the equipment at the outage location. Most likely, customers that are served by this fuse are currently without power. Therefore, it is important to find out how many customers are affected by this outage and alert them promptly. Let's run a downstream trace. Running a downstream trace from this device shows us that there are 140 customers currently out of power. Upon arrival at the failed equipment location, engineer opens the connectivity view of the device to see the components of the device and how they are connected. Let's zoom into the equipment and view its connectivity associations. The equipment at this location is a switch cabinet. We see a set of connected fuses as well as a piece of bus bar. These red dotted lines indicate connectivity associations between different devices. This connectivity view facilitates safer operations in hazardous environments and provides engineer ability to gain insight into complex assemblies in a clear and easier to read fashion. Now that we know the connectivity associations of the device and the scale of the outage, we will run a load report to find out more about feeder downstream of the event, like its current phases, total number of customers per phase, customer loads, etc. This load report here shows there are 3 phases on the switch cabinet, A, B, and C, and there are different numbers of customers on each phase. It is possible that one of the connected fuses might have tripped. Using this connectivity view, engineer identifies that the northern tap of the assembly has a blown fuse, and the other 2 taps connected can have their power restored. With this new information, running downstream trace from this blown fuse will give us more accurate impact of the outage. We can see number of customers affected has significantly reduced. There are only 10 customers impacted by the outage. Running a load report one more time from this fuse will validate the trace findings. Field engineers will use this information as well as values from load report to prepare a job safety brief for restoration crew to make necessary repairs. Advanced ArcGIS utility network capabilities available in ArcGIS Runtime API truly empowers field engineers in reducing response times, limiting outage challenges, improving reliability, safety, and customer service based on real analysis in the field.